channel. In this video, I'm going to explain you the complete details about MyASUS utility. In this app, there are many features. I'm going to explain each and every feature and how you can keep your system so clean. So first of all, open this app, that is MyASUS. You can see this is the application called MyASUS, where in your dashboard screen you can see the complete details of your system from model number to serial number. After this, you can check your battery percentage, CPU load currently using, and memory consumption, hard disk space. And here you can check your device health. This one diagnosis tool is your computer is fine or not. Apart from this, here if you come to your device settings, you can find your power and performance and connectivity like Wi-Fi or Ethernet. So these things you will be having in device settings. If you come to system diagnosis, you can diagnose all your software and hardware of your complete laptop or computer. If you just click the checkbox and if you just give check, so you have to perform these are all tasks. Yeah, so these tests can be performed now. So this is display test, so you can check the sentence and you can give whether it is pass or fail. From that it will examine the test. Okay, pass. So like that you can do multiple checks. So it is still loading. Once this item is completed, we can go with customized diagnosis, where in customized diagnosis you can do multiple operations like for memory, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and battery, fan, system checks. So let us wait for a few more minutes. So finally this is completed. If you go to check results, you can see the result over here. So this keyboard testing, you need to have some system update. I have given. Let's go for the next test, that is this adapter and all. If I give checkup, please, I have already connected. Like it is asking for the Wi-Fi connection, but I have did the Ethernet connection. So let me wait to connect. Yeah, I have connected now. Yes, now you can see the customized diagnosis to be run. Let us wait a few more seconds to complete this. Finally, we have completed with customer diagnosis. Also, if I go and check with the results, you can find all the details here. Okay, so after this is the diagnosis by scenario. You can check all of those results over here. Next, if we go to system update, you can check for any updates which you have from your system. If not, then MyASUS device. So if you want to refresh display settings, you can do this. And this ASUS device is for router. If you are using ASUS router, you can control over here, and if you're using ASUS mouse, you can control over here. Okay, and this is the message center which you get updates from ASUS. Okay, and in recommended things you can find this premium applications for your system, so you can directly download from this application. And one more important thing, the GlideX, I'll make a separate dedicated video on this. So this is a GlideX of ASUS where you can connect tab, a monitor and laptop as your wireless control screens. So I'll show you in separate video. And in customer support, you can do some more things which you can directly contact your ASUS customer service. In user center, you can log in into your account by using your account ID. And coming to the final section, which is setting, you have general settings of this application and MyASUS instructions about this quick tips and operations, which what I explained now. Then if you go to about, you can see the current version of this detail. So this is the complete video of MyASUS application, guys. If you have any doubt, please put a comment, and in my further video I'll do about GlideX. So in that application I'll show. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.